welcome back to another video, traders. And if you're new here, I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today, so stick around. And if you want to follow me on Twitter and Instagram so you know whenever there's a new video, go ahead and check those links below and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, guys. All right, let's get into it. Today we're looking at DraftKings DKNG. This is a 4-hour 180-day chart. The keys for me on this chart are the uptrend that we've been holding. We hit this low around beginning of November, end of October, and pretty quickly bounced, and we've more or less been holding this uptrend since then, except for this one little test of the 44.85 level. The other keys are the 56 level. This was a previous all-time high from September, and the current all-time high of 64.75 from early October. Now, we've been having a good run over the past 4 days, but I am not really trusting it right now. A lot of this movement, and I'll zoom in here to a 10-day, 10-minute chart, has been after hours. So the big move, finally breaking above the support at 56. This happened after hours Monday. And today, pre-market, another big move after really 2 days of nothing. We went from around 60 all the way up to 63 pre-market, and the day was fairly flat. Now again, we're moving after hours. Something about that I just don't like. I'm going to zoom back out, talk about a couple of other things. So the main thing that I don't like about this move here is that we haven't come back to retest this level, and usually you'll see that at least one time within the first couple days after a big move like that. Now, we did test it a bunch of times before we finally broke through it. We've been consolidating and we've been more or less holding this uptrend, but still I like to see even just a quick long candle. It doesn't even have to come all the way down, but something just to test, to confirm above that level before you shoot off like this, because right now I'm just starting to feel like it's a bit extended from our averages and now extended from this trend line here. I feel like this is a very healthy growth trend line that we've been seeing, and it's a volatile name, so there's quite a range here. And when you start to see us get this far away from the trend, normally there's a pullback. Like when we happened here, we got rejected at 56, pulled all the way back down straight through the trend line and all the averages, even below the support here at 44.8, before finally recovering and actually bouncing pretty quickly. But again, it's a volatile name. There's no revenue yet. It's a speculative play on what could be a massive revenue business, but I think if we do see continuation on this tomorrow, or more likely after hours and pre-market tonight, if we get up to this 64.75 level, we're going to get rejected. I think we're going to see something similar to what we saw here, rejected and all the way back down, maybe even through this back to the trend line. So what I'm waiting for, because I am bullish on this name, I mean, it's a strong chart. After this massive pullback from the all-time high, it's really has been strong. If you know, volatile growth, it's been fairly consistent for the past 3-4 months now. So what I'm expecting and hoping to see is a pullback, whether that's when we get rejected out this line or before that, a pullback into 56, which I think will be a much better entry point, whether you want to take this as a short-term options play or a long-term hold. I just think you can get a better entry point in the near term around 55, 56. It may even come back into this trend line in the near term as well, but that's what I'd look to see. Bullish on this name. It's just a little overpriced, a little extended above its ranges right now, and as you can see, these averages are typically follow pretty tight. So every time, as you could see, we start to get too far extended above. Look how far extended we were above this 200 SMA line at the all-time high. And what do you know? It comes right back down, crashing through it. I mean, revisiting Corona levels, essentially. So I think we're seeing that again, and I think we're probably going to get a better entry point in the near term here on DraftKings. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions, comment below. I read all the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe. And if you haven't already, check out my other channel, Charting Trends for Trading Tesla. We do Tesla analysis over there every day. So if you like my analysis or you follow Tesla, check that out too. Thanks, guys.